Codebook Neha. So today I am back with another interesting topic. Hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started. In my previous video of MySQL series, I have discussed about date and time data type in MySQL. You can check the video from the above I button. Today, I am going to discuss about numeric data type in MySQL. So, without any further delay, let's get started. The numeric data type in MySQL is one of the most widely used data types to store numeric values. Below is the list of data types that are included under the numeric data type integer or int, small int, decimal, numeric, float, real, double, and precision. Numbers in SQL can be either exact numbers like numeric, decimal, integer, big int or small int, or approximate numbers like double precision, float, and real. In exact numeric type, precision and scale are preserved. For example, we can fix the significant digits and precision for a numeric data type. On the other hand, in approximate numeric types, the precision needs to be preserved, but the scale is not. It can be floating. Syntax: create table, table name, within bracket, column name, numeric, within bracket, precision, comma, scale. So, let's apply this with some examples. I am using school details database. Under this database, creating a table stu_12c with numeric data type column marks numeric within bracket 4,2. Inserting a value of 58.7. Select asterisk from stu_12c. It will give you result as 58.70. As the marks column is a numeric data type with a scale of 2 digits in the right place of the decimal, and a precision of 4, that is, the marks can be of 4-digit number. Next numeric data type is integer. The integer data type is used to store whole numbers without the decimal point or simply non-decimal numbers. The numbers can be negative. The integer data type consists of small int, integer, tiny int, and big int. Syntax: create table, table name, within bracket, column name, integer. Taking another example, creating another table stu_12b with integer data type. Upon inserting values of 78.5, it gives the output as 79. Integer data type rounds off the decimal number. For example, 78.5 will be round off to 79. This round-off feature of the integer data type may cause inconsistency at some point. Moving on to next data type, float data type. The float data type is used to store approximate numeric values just like integer data type are used. The floating data type consists of two parts, namely significant value m and exponent value d. The significant value is a signed numeric value, that is the maximum number of digits, the precision. Syntax: create table, table name within bracket, column name, float within bracket m, d. Another example to explain float data type: create table, teacher within bracket salary, float within bracket 7, 4. Inserting the value as 8787.0009. The result will be 999.9999. The exponent value is also a positive value that is used to define the number of digits to the right of the decimal point. We will discuss Boolean data type in the next video. That's all for today. Hope you all will get some help from this video. If it's so, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.